Greetings, my Edo people. Ivedunuzomo, your wounded civilian brother. I salute everybody. Today I want to talk to our people, Edo people. Talk to our governor. There is a saying in Benin that you must pay something, you know. Everything in life is not about money, but in Nigeria, everything is about money. Almost everything is about money. It is possible people can befriend the devil as long as money is involved. People sell their conscience. People sell their vote. People sell their future for money. Money is everything. And the bad politicians make it so. For that, whatever we do, we have to do it with our brain. You see this political crisis, this political war, political fight that is going on in Edo. Our governor, the performing governor, Godwin Norease Obaseki, the governor, I think you have to do something. I'm sorry to say this. You have to give something out. I know it's not supposed to be like that. But it is something you must do for us, we the Edos. Because we know the people that is up against you. Oshomole and his lovers in crime, these are Beru. They are ready to spend hair. They are ready to buy people's conscience. They are ready to deceive the people, give them money. Give them money. And they might turn against you as long as far money is involved. It is about money. Everything in Nigeria is about money. People that are hungry, give that person 5,000. If that person loved the governor Obaseki before, give him 5,000. He will change his mind. I know what I'm talking about. I know what I'm talking about. We know Governor Obaseki is not the kind of a governor who will dip his hand in Edo State Treasury and begin to squander our money, begin to give people money so that I will vote for you. We know. But with what is going on in Edo State now, if you don't have the money, go and borrow. I'm sorry I'm talking like this, because I want to save my people. We know what we are up against. We know what them Tinubu, we know what them Oshomole, we know what they can do. With money, people can change their mind. Somebody that is hungry, somebody that cannot cook, somebody that is looking for money to feed his children, give him 10,000. That person will change his mind. For that, even though you don't have the money, Governor Obaseki, go and borrow. Release something. We know, I respect you. People are complaining. The problem now, will Obaseki give something out? At least that's some people something. Give the people something. I know it is not right. You are not that kind of governor. But what we are up against, the people that is against us, the people that is against you, they are ready to sell their life, give the people the money, and kick you out of office. You see, why am I talking like this is this. Few months ago, January, February, I was in Nigeria for my father's funeral. I'm highly disappointed on him. When Izeyamu came, Nwamabe stopped the music. He was playing, people were, feeling it. People were, dancing, that's what we do during funeral. People have to at least dance away your sorrows. People were grooving, Nwamabe immediately, Nwamabe saw Izeyamu. He stopped everything. We asked him, why did you stop? He said he don't play his music for characters like Izeyamu. That Izeyamu is here, he's not going to play it until he leaves. Everybody were aware, because my father's funeral was like a carnival. Everybody were aware. He stopped the music. So Izeyamu have to leave and go to my side, because it was the only child that was playing for me. He said he don't play for characters like Izeyamu, that Izeyamu is corrupt. He's a thief. He don't play for somebody like that. Now today, he's on stage playing for the same person he said he would not play for 6 months ago. Don't you know what don't you know it is money? When there is money, as someone is involved, everything works. I'm talking about Nigeria. They must have given Nwamagbe some millions for Nwamagbe to be on stage jumping like monkey. Sometimes he's using himself to compare people like Akobegya. Akobegya is not politician. He always say he's not a politician. He don't sing political music. He's somebody who sings music for jollification. You are into politics. People know you because of the political songs. That's what people know you for. So what you do matters. It's different. You are different from Akobegya. Because you were making reference of the other musicians were there that day. No, you are not like them. You are a politician. Whoever, you don't suppose to be supporting one side. But it's your life. You have the right. But what I'm telling you is what you did 7 months ago. You stop the music. You don't suppose to stop the music. You say you don't play for characters like Izeyamu. Izeyamu was forced to leave and come go to my side and all my brother, stuff like that. Today you are playing for the same person. We know what's up. So my able governor, you all saw what happened a few days ago. This group of people, what happened last year when they were trying to occupy our House of Assembly, make somebody Oshomole's choice as the Speaker of our House of Assembly. The governor was so smart and said, no, everything must go my way this time. Because he knows what they are going to do to him now. These 4 honorable went to Abuja to go and be crying, telling Oshombole to come and beat the governor for them. They took the case to court. And the court let them understand, if you fail to come to Edo State, you forfeit your seat. And after a year, the court, High Court of Justice in Port Harcourt, declared their seat vacant. And they charged it and they took the case. They took the case to court. The case still in the court. The case still in the court, but this group of people try to use, because they feel they have the federal might to come and intimidate Edo people, to come to Edo State House of Assembly. But the governor said that will not work. As far as we are concerned, you people are nothing. You are no longer honorables. And I praise the governor for that. And somebody like Tinubu start to run his mouth, talking nonsense. Did you know what happened in Edo before? When Oshombole was the governor. When Oshombole was the governor, Edo House of Assembly, most of the people there were PDP lovers. They were not with Oshombole. What did he do? He had to remove the roof too, and ask them to come and be doing whatever they are doing in government house, since they don't want to bow to him. He removed the roof. Nothing happened. 2014, 2013, 2014, he removed the roof. Then Obaseki is doing the same thing to save his government, so that these people will not intimidate him and kick him out like that. He's fighting like a man, and that Juzle Tinubu is running his mouth in Lagos. My country people, Obaseki, this is an advice. It's a candid advice to our governor, Governor Godwin, not just Obaseki. I know you are not that kind of person. You are a gentleman. You are. That's what you are. You prove to the world that yes, you are different from the rest. Please, because of Nigeria, because of situations of things in Nigeria, with money, people kill their father, kill their parents, kill their mother, kill their sister, brothers for money. People do so many evil things but as far money is involved, these people love you. We all know. Edo people love you. The north, Edo's in the north, Edo's in the central, Edo in the south, all of them love you. But you have to release something. You have to give your followers, give them something, money to work, to campaign for you. That's what Benin people say. Give them something to campaign with. That's something. Now, if you don't have, I'm not saying you to go and open Edo State Treasury. When Baru, you are not doing it for yourself, you are doing it for all of us. Doing it for all of us. And we living in diaspora, we are trying, doing our best too. doing the best we can to make sure Oshiomhole must not have his way. For you to know that Nigeria, when money talks, everything works. Someone like Oshiomhole is supposed to be stoned, but he's in Edo today on open vehicle, climbing, Oshiomhole will still be on stage singing. This man, who is singing for, is the same person he said that was corrupt 4 years ago. The same person said he called him thief, called him cultist. And he's on stage now, jumping like monkey for this same person. And people are clapping. When money talks, everything works. So my able governor, my amiable governor, please do something about these things. You are a good man, everybody know. But in Nigeria, no money, no money, nothing works. That's my candid advice for the governor today. Thank you and God bless.